Hey loves, yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemond and I create content on natural hairstyling, braids and more. You're welcome. Now if you're a returning viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thanks for supporting your girl, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to take you all through how to style your kinky braids. And just so you know, you can use the same style for your knotless braids, your afro twist braids, your locks, and if you are looking for which style to rock to school, church, work, or that wedding that you're about to attend, please stay with me to the end of this video. Now for the first style, okay, this is a very simple hairstyle for you who wouldn't want any tension on your scalp, okay, and would want your braids to move freely around you. Push those braids behind your ear for a new look. Now for the second style, we're going for a half up, half down look. Now our focus is on the center, okay, so just grab your scrunchie, hold it down, and you're good to go. So you can either rock it like this, or if you want to add some juice and spice to it, idea, just bring out two braids from both sides in front and rock these braids like you should. Now our next style is just a touch up of the previous hairstyle, okay, so wrap it up in a bun like this and you're good to go. Now where would you rock this hairstyle to? Let me know down below in the comments section. Now let's do this. Do you have a scarf? Could be African print like I'm using, or just make use of any scarf that's in your closet, okay? You don't need a new one. Now bring all the braids in front and then wrap the scarf around it towards the front like I'm doing. Tie this down, go around the braids again, and then tuck it down. Now this is giving the legendary Ekuma Mama Zimbe vibes. What do you think? So guys, this is my favorite. Like, I love this look. I don't know about you, but I love this look. Now I had to go look for my claw clip because this particular style required it, okay? So grab some braids on both sides and we are sending them to the back, okay? This requires a little bit of extra energy. You can first hold the sides you take out with a scrunchie and bring the rest of the hair in front, or better still, just like I did, just hold them down and bring them forward with a knot, adding like a little force. You get. Now hold them down with a scrunchie. The next thing you have to do is to hold the middle one as well, the middle braids, with a scrunchie. Now twirl the first part that you held with the scrunchie at the back, okay? Twirl that down, hold it down with your claw clip, okay? And like, that is the style. That is basically it. What would you rock this hairstyle to? For our next look, guys, so we are still working with the ones that we brought out from the front, okay? So take out all the scrunchies, take everything out, and let's work on these braids, okay? So you would roll or twist. Should I say roll or any of them, okay? So you twist one side down, hold it down using a scrunchie so that you'll be able to work on the other side, okay, without any interruption whatsoever. So yeah, take out all those scrunchies, okay? And then now you take everything to the back, hold it down using your scrunchie, and that is the style. Like, what do you think? This is giving back to school hairstyle. What do you think? How many styles have you counted so far? Anyways, for this particular style, okay, so instead of twisting or twirling, just hold everything down. I mean from the front, okay, just the same part that you took out, hold them down using a scrunchie, an elastic band, or any beautiful band that you have, okay? So I got this beautiful band, this specific one from a beauty supply store. So get one from any shop near you. I feel like this specific one is very simple. I love doing this a lot when I have my braids in. Like, it's very beautiful. Okay, so now all you have to do is to throw the back piece over the top piece, okay? And then you hold it down with a scrunchie. Once you're done, you tuck the ends around like the bun. Yeah, so like that is it. That is basically it. It's given a corporate look, or if you're going for an interview or school or church, like, yeah, that kind of look. I just want you to know that you could get about 3 styles from just one style, okay? So for this specific one, this particular one, you just take out 4 pieces in front, so 2 from the left, 2 from the right, like we've been doing for the previous styles. And that's it. You are good to go. You don't need to do anything extra. Okay, moving forward, let's do the hairstyle that you all have been doing every day. Like you wake up and you hold that hair in a bun and you just leave. Anyways, we've seen like different hairstyles, but then if you would want to rock our all back bun, then this is it for you. Okay, don't worry, it's still a hairstyle. Okay, you just rock it to school, church, work, or wherever you're going to. Now for this look, if I had a little sister, I guess this is the style that I would be doing for here. Okay, so let's do it. So just hold one part down. I mean, we're holding both sides down. Okay, and then it's not everything, it just takes some parts in the front and then you are good to go. So the back of your hair like will still be hanging around there. Okay, so hold both sides down with your scrunchie, and that is basically it. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? One is giving a party vibe. So if you've been invited to a party or like a beautiful gathering, then you could do this. Now let's hold these in a bun. I mean, it's optional. Do what makes you feel good, but then this is one like it's a very beautiful hairstyle. Okay, let's go. Yet we aren't done. Okay, so for this one, okay, I just taking some pieces from our left. You could do it on your right, okay, but I chose to do it on my left. Okay, so I just twisted that down, and then like that was it. I did 2 of that, and that was basically it. It was a very beautiful look. It came out so well, and I mean, this isn't an everyday look for me. If I have to attend an event, then I would be doing that. Okay, so I'm not more of the outing type. I mostly go to church, so all these hairstyles, girl, I take it to church. Guys, we are on our final style for today. Okay, for this style you will want to grab some pieces from our left and right and then hold it down in a high bun, like just that is it. Simple, right? This is the style that I do mostly when I'm wearing my natural hair. Okay, so if I'm wearing my natural hair twist, then I would call this my everyday look. Guys, we're always done though. I thought we were done. Okay, so for this one we just want to hold everything to the back. Okay, hold it down using your scrunchie, and then like that is all. Thank you so much for staying to this point. Let me know which of these styles you would be rocking and where you would be taking them to. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you all in my next one. Bye.